Hello, this is Compound Interest Stock Guy. Today in this video, I'm just going to be talking about commodities, so stay tuned. Nice sunny day, Monday. What's up? Give me thumbs up, thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. So, want to disclose I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment information purposes. Do not buy or sell based on anything I talk about. Buy or sell after you do your own research, due diligence, and you like the investments you're pursuing. So let's put on the glasses. It's dark. So this is my new office. I got the birds chirping. I hope you can hear that with my lav mic in the background. Evening, about 6:30, I guess. So what happened today? Well, ACB reverse split was down about 8%. I got no position in Aurora. I've never been really a fan of Aurora. I know they sell a fair amount, but I just knew that Cam Badley was a big used car salesman. I took a lot of heat for that over the years, but I was on the ball. All that goodwill was pretty bad for the company. So now they have to eat that. I still think they can maybe find a way to get together and change it, but I think there's definitely downward pressure. I can see them go half of what their price is, maybe even lower than that. But they need to deleverage some of their assets. They have too many assets that just makes the company, unless they were able to get like tons of money or whatever, just have some deal come out of left field. So anyways, let's get into commodities. Okay, so uranium, I really like uranium right now. Uranium price $33.90, so that's a very nice price spot. Long-term price is up. They're just kind of riding in tandem. It just looks like there's an upward trajectory towards about $40 to $50 in the next couple of months. We'll see. Kamenko, CCO, CCJ in America. I think they're doing all right. I think CCO is a lot safer investment. I like to see them go to like $37, $38 or $40 for spot. So that'd be very exciting when it gets to $40. I mean, it's nice that they're in the 30s. I know Kamenko's just was buying. I heard at the conference call they're just kind of buying all the uranium from other producers, just trying to get it off the market to lower the supply. Because when demand hits and there's not much supply, that's a recipe for things to skyrocket. So I've been trading a bit of Forex. Haven't been doing too well. I mean, it's a risky game. Platinum, copper, silver, gold. I've made good trades on all of them. But just the way the trades are, I mean, you basically, if you do like a short or anything like that, then it's good. But for the most part, it's pretty much been trading sideways. And so if you buy platinum on Forex.com, that's what I'm up on. Then so you buy 10 ounces, right? So you got to pay a spread of about $1. Now with platinum, you got to pay 10 ounces, right? So say you buy the ounces at $7.95 and all of a sudden it goes down $10, you're down $100 USD. So it's easy for the price to go from like $7.95 to like $7.85, but it's like it can also go from like $7.92 to $7.87 and then all the way to like $8.14, right? So it's like trying to figure out your stop losses. I mean, I think the perfect setup is probably like a $3 to $4 stop loss. But at the same time, I'm just gonna wait till till it starts riding upward. I definitely think that platinum has a chance to go to $850, $900 in the near term. But with industrial demands down, I'm sure, because I use a lot in catalytic converters, so I don't think a lot of cars are selling right now. Probably not selling a lot. Yeah, platinum and palladium, you gotta buy them in 10 ounces, so that kind of sucks. I wish you could just buy 1 ounce. You can with gold. You can buy 1 ounce for gold. So I've made a winning trade on gold. I've also done the GBP, USD, and a few others. But I think I'm just gonna stick with currencies until the commodities start to ride higher, and then I'll ride the commodities. But I mean, if you buy like 3 or 4 ounces of gold, and it say goes up like $10, then you get $30-$40 USD, and it can happen within like half hour. So if that trade's available, I'll do that. It's nice to be able to do that because I wasn't able to do that before, because like you can buy stock, right? Or you can buy like ETFs like GLD, SLV, SIVR, I believe is a silver ETF. But you can only buy that during the day. And a lot of the moves always happen in the middle of the night, right? Like from about 12 Pacific time, like PM, like AM, I guess, to like 3 AM, sometimes in the morning, Pacific Standard Time. So if you can make that move, right? Like when there's like maybe like 1 or 2% move up or down, I just had to get this N off me. So that's what's up with platinum, palladium, gold. Now with silver, you got to buy it in 100 ounce, which isn't too bad, but the spread's pretty big, so you got to pay that spread. So I don't like that too much. So you got to make sure you're getting like 0.4, like 0.2 or 0.3. You're getting a pretty big move, right? Or else you're like really, your probabilities are pretty shit. So, but I mean, we'll see. Silver to gold ratio, I mean, I could definitely start seeing it going from $15 to $20. So when silver goes from $15 to $20, and say you get that move and you got your stop loss, like say you go from like, you buy it at 15.5 and it goes all the way to 15.8, and then you put your stop loss at like 15.6, and then all of a sudden it goes to like $17, and then you put your stop loss to like 16.2, and then it goes to $18, you put your stop loss to like 17.1, and then you put your stop loss when it's at 19 to like 18.1. You can definitely, like with a $3 move on 100 ounces, like if you only got one lot, then that's not a bad trade. What else? Oh yeah, oil. So Chesapeake Energy, they're talking about going bankrupt. So, I mean, as I've talked about before, I don't really think it's very wise to invest into any small oil company, to be honest. Just stick with the biggest. So it's pretty much like XOM, CVX, Royal Dutch Shell. I think it's XLE is the energy ETF. So I think that's the one that Greg Manarino talked about. So and then there's like XLF. I think that's the financial one. Apparently the financials, they're well capitalized. So the bank companies in USA, they're taken care of. So what else? So oil, covered silver, covered gold, covered platinum, covered uranium. I mean, the only thing really else, I mean, there's nickel, there's copper. Copper's been coming up, so I got my Freeport McMoran call options. There's Southern Copper as well. I don't know the ticker exactly. I don't want to say it. I think it's like SCCO, but I'm not sure. So it's Southern Copper. But Freeport's FCX. Yep. What else? Just enjoying the sunshine. It's a nice day. enjoy the sunshine. So I think I'm just going to end it off there. I've pretty much covered what I want to talk about. So I want to say something is we are at a spiritual war. That what's going on in the world, I'll say, is you got these Democrats in the USA or Trudeau and these people that are like part of this UN Agenda 2030. And what they want to do is they want to make people just be like socialism. So socialism, like no small jobs, like no small companies. I mean, everybody just works for, it's just, they want to make people poorer and poorer and have more of a divide between the rich and the poor. I'm doing these trades, but I think it's smart to own precious metals, silver, gold, platinum. It's a hedge. Makes you sleep better at night, knowing you own those things. You always have that asset. Food. Got love for your family and friends. Yet you got a bit of enjoyment, whatever kind of hobby you're doing. Things are changing. So in the oil sands, I hear that they have temperature guns. They're putting on people temperature guns. So makes me not want to go back to work, to be honest. It's like it's communism, socialism. They want to have cameras everywhere you go, all connected with the 5G. It'll be connected with your ID, like your the way you look, like your eyes, and it'll be facial recognition. So anyways, it's compound interest stock guide, giving you the informed, up to date, real legit, no bullshit, no hype, just strategize logistics on commodities, cannabis, S&P 500, giving you the raw, no bullshit, no hype, filling your blood with blunt realities, not hype realities. So anyways, keep compounding your info, listen to my lingo, and shucka. Peace, I'm outie.